House builder Cairn told Taoiseach Micheál Martin it believes more than 300,000 homes can be delivered between now and the end of 2030 if the government focuses on immediately activating infrastructure, unlocking land and supporting developers. It sent him a detailed €147 billion plan showing how housing delivery could be ramped up annually over the next 5 years. This would see 60,000 homes delivered in 2029, a level the company said needs to be maintained to address the housing crisis. This broadly aligns with the government's housing targets. Last week, Mr Martin said the government's housing target for the next 5 years remains 300,000, despite projections that delivery for this year and next year will fall short. Cairn's plan would require public investment worth about €77 billion, with the rest of the money needed coming from the private sector. However, the builder said the government needs to take steps to support developers and make building more viable. This means delivering significant amounts of infrastructure, including building a medium-sized wastewater treatment plant every 1 to 2 years, adding Cork City's entire electricity demand to the national grid, creating new transport links, enhancing the primary school system, and building a new hospital to support the number of homes needed.